Hello. In Science Chapter 12 Electricity and Circuits, Part 2 of the video, we will discuss about electric bulb, torch, conductors and insulators, and safety precautions. Electric bulb. Electric bulb is a device that produces light when electricity is passed through it. Features of an electric bulb. The outer covering of electric bulb is of glass and the base is metallic. If you see the bulb, inside that you see a small coil. This coil in the bulb glows, producing light and heat when the electricity is passed through it. आपने देखा होगा बल्ब के अंदर एक कॉइल्ड स्ट्रक्चर होता है जिसमें कि बल्ब जलता है तो क्या होता है, लाइट प्रोड्यूस होती है और हीट व्हेन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज पास थ्रू इट. इसको हम कहते हैं फिलामेंट एंड इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ टंगस्टन. Filament is attached to two wires. One of the wire is connected to the metal case at the base and the other wire is connected to the metal wire at the center of the base. ये फिलामेंट जो होता है वो दो वायर से अटैच होता है. वन साइड में तो ये वायर जो है कनेक्ट होगा मेटल केस से जो कि बेस पे है और अदर वायर जो है वो कनेक्टेड होगा मेटल वायर का सेंटर ऑफ द बेस. When electricity is passed through the terminals of the bulb, the filament gets heated up and produces light. A bulb is said to be fused if the filament gets broken and fused bulb does not glow. In that one case, we need to replace the or change the bulb. Why tungsten is used to make the filament? Because it can be drawn into narrow thin wires easily. हम इसके पतले तार जो है वो easily बना सकते हैं. उसी के साथ में it offers high resistance to electric current as compared to other metals, and the resistance means the opposition offered by a conductor to the flow of electric current. Along with that one, tungsten has a very high melting point, therefore it does not melt and break the circuit when it becomes glowing hot. टंगस्टन का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट बहुत हाई होता है और वो इजीली मेल्ट भी नहीं होता और ब्रेक नहीं करता सर्किट को जब वो गर्म होता है. तो इसीलिए हम टंगस्टन मेटल को प्रेफर करते हैं फिलामेंट बनाने के लिए बल्ब का. थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन, एन अमेरिकन फिजिस्ट, invented the electric bulb. Torch is a simple electric circuit with electric cells, bulb and a switch. You all see that one. In a torch there is a switch which is turned on, the circuit is closed. आपने देखा होगा कि टॉर्च के अंदर एक स्विच होता है जिसको हम टर्न ऑन करते हैं, उससे क्या होता है, सर्किट क्लोज हो जाता है और करंट क्या होता है उसमें से फ्लो करने लग जाता है. एंड व्हेन एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो थ्रू द bulb starts glowing. In a torch we can also see a curved mirror behind the bulb. This mirror we call it as a reflector, as it reflects and focuses the light produced by the bulb. Conductors and insulators. Materials such as copper, iron and aluminium that allow electricity to flow through them are called as conductors of electricity. In examples mainly we include silver, gold, copper, steel and seawater or salty water. These all are the good conductor of electricity. Whereas insulators are the materials those do not allow electricity to pass through them. Examples of insulator are wood, plastic, rubber, cotton. All these are the insulator of electricity. Now, by using a simple electric circuit with a bulb and a cell, we can easily test whether a given material is a conductor or an insulator. For doing this activity, we need a torch bulb, dry cell, bulb holder, connecting wires, metallic paper clip, comb, pencil, steel spoon, copper rod, coin and wooden piece. First, you have to make the connection as shown in the diagram. Means you can connect the wires with the dry cell and a bulb, and then the two ends of the wire we can touch with these following materials which we are using. Now for procedure, keep the materials listed in the table on a cardboard sheet. आपके पास में जो भी ये materials हैं आप उसको पहले एक cardboard sheet पे रखिए. Hold the two ends of the wire in our two hands, and we should hold only the plastic coated part of the wire. Then let the exposed copper wire, जो आपका खुला हुआ है copper wire, touch each of the material one by one, like first metallic paper clip, then comb, pencil, steel spoon, likewise all materials. And after that, when we observe that one, our bulb will glow only when the wires are touched with the conductors. So out of these materials, conductors are metallic paper clip, steel spoon, copper rod, coin. And when wires are to be touched with the insulators, that is plastic comb, wooden piece, that time our bulb will not glow, whereas in case of conductors our bulb will glow. So conductors are the materials, those who pass out electricity through them, whereas insulators are the materials, those who does not pass out electricity through them. You have seen your electrical appliances are made up of, handles of these electrical appliances are made up of plastic, because plastic or the rubber is an insulator and it protects us, whereas the conductors help the flow of current, while insulator protect us from electric shock by not allowing the current to pass through our body. Second thing, our body is also a good conductor of electricity, and water is also an good conductor of electricity. So do not use the water for extinguishing fire caused due to electrical short circuit or damage. Tap water, because tap water has impurities like dissolved salts and mild acids, and it is a conductor of electricity, and it increases the chances of electrical shock. Electrical safety. As we discussed that human body is a conductor of electricity, so we have to take special care while using electrical gadgets or working on electricity. Electrical safety measures are to be: do not touch bare wires or electrical contacts unless we are firmly sure that they are de-energized. Do not touch electrical appliances or wires with wet hands, and whenever we are operating electrical appliances, we should wear the rubber slippers. Overloaded electrical outlets are potential fire hazards, so do not plug many sockets to a single plug or extension. It may be overload and damage the circuit. Remember to unplug the toaster before you pry out that stuck piece of toast. Along with that one, make sure that all the cords of electrical appliances are unplugged when not in use. जब भी आप इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लाइंसेस को काम में नहीं ले रहे हैं तो उसको अनप्लग कर दीजिए, मीन्स उसकी जो प्लग का पिन है उसको सॉकेट से बाहर निकाल दीजिए. Along with that one also, always unplug small appliances before cleaning them. अगर आपको उनकी सफाई भी करनी है, क्लीन भी करना है, that time also you can unplug these appliances. Never use water to extinguish an electrical fire. Use a fire extinguisher or baking soda. So this is all about electricity and circuit in this chapter. Thank you.